Today felt like a soft reminder from the universe. As I walked by the lakeside, the sunshine touched the water like it was painting it gold. Butterflies floated around me, unbothered, unhurried, just existing in their own gentle rhythm. And in that moment, something clicked. Life doesn't need to be rushed. You don't have to figure out everything today. You don't have to bloom before you are ready. Watching the lake, the ripples, the light, I realized it's okay to slow down. It's okay to breathe. It's okay to start again, even if it's small. Just like the butterfly, you're allowed to transform quietly. Just like the sun, you're allowed to rise again. And just like the lake, you're allowed to hold peace within yourself. So, if no one has told you this before, you are doing your best, and that's enough. Your story is unfolding beautifully, even if you can't see the whole path yet. Because just like nature, you are becoming something magical. Not suddenly, not loudly, but one tender, dreamy moment at a time. And so, here's a reminder for me and maybe for you too. Trust your slow movements, trust the pause, trust the quiet rebuilding happening within you.